got a new handy mop. It has 3 compartments on it. You can mop, and then, well, actually 4 compartments because you can scrub on it and flip it over. And if you have any like big marks on the floor, you can scrub it. And if you have too much water, you can just slide it across. And when the mop is too full, you can use this and you can squeeze the dirt and water out. And you can adjust it however you want to. It can go as high, or if you're short like me, you can put it low or go high. And you just twist that back on there and put it in space. And you can use this little clamp to squeeze it. And I find that really helpful instead of having a regular mop and you have to squeeze it with both hands, and that's just really messy, and I don't really got time for that. And I find it convenient that you can scrape up all of the dirt instead of using the mop, a regular mop 3 times. You can use it multiple times on all of it. And then if you have too much water, you can just scrape. And when it's too much, just empty it out. And I find it really convenient than a regular mop. Thank you. This is one of my favorite mops. I recommend you guys to order it online because it's very convenient for life.